So they have to run certain time to get there, so they can have an opportunity for themselves, or have a life for themselves by getting a good education or go to school, run a good time, or run fast and be in a circuit and get sponsorship money and make money. That's what it's all about. I didn't know where my destiny was going to take me. I don't know what's going to happen, but since as a young child growing up in Falmouth here in Jamaica, I do a lot of sports: soccer, running, cricket, jumping, do all that kind of stuff. But I was doing things that I need to do to develop myself. And when I immigrate to Toronto, everything's changed. My destiny was there, and that's where everything excelled from there on. My whole family was fast. All my sisters and brother was fast. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One of my sisters, when they shoot the gun, she's still in the blocks. When I was a young kid, growing up, and I was being a bad kid, my mom used to send the older sisters to chase us down, and she was fast. And after run this way, everybody run that way, and yeah, she was good. Sprinter was born, not made. And you get the right training, and now you have 2024. Now you have different technology now. You have better shoes, better track, fast track. In my days, I didn't have those kind of fast track. If I run in those days, now in my prime, I run in about 9.2, 100 meters. There is many things are happening this year, but I can't say anything right now because I'm not on any contract. So when everything is done and said, then I will come out. But right now, I just keep a humble, just low key. There's a lot of good sprinters are coming up, but whoever wants it more will benefit or succeed, I don't watch too much track and field now, but I just hear and heard on social media who's winning what, and until somebody started running 9.3, 9.4, I might take a look. But other than that, no interest at the moment. Well, one of my cousins that lives up in the hills, he coached kids, and he wants my input and some stuff what to do with the kids' development. And gonna say a few words to the kids, like pep talk or word of wisdom. So I'm doing that on Thursday evening.